kids! Welcome to Genius Playhouse!
Hi kids, welcome back to our channel. So here we are with another video, and as you can see we have so many different types of animals. Here we have some water animals, some wild animals, some domestic animals, and all are stuck in a muddy puddle, and they all are crying for help. So let's rescue them. Let's begin with the first animal, and that is a really cute dog. Dog is a pet animal and it guards our house. Let's wash him. And here we go. So this is a real dog. Now let's pick up our second animal, and that is going to be, let me see which one is going to be next. I think, it's a sheep. Sheep gives us wool. It's a farm animal, or we can say it's a domestic animal. It eats green grasses. It has become dirty, so let's wash him. And here we go. Moving ahead, let's pick our next animal, and that is going to be, it's a tiger. Tiger lives in jungle. It's a dangerous carnivorous animal which eats the flesh of other animals. Let's wash him also. And here we go. It's a tiger. Our next animal is a sea turtle. Wow, it's so beautiful. It has got a shell to protect its soft body. It lives in water mainly. It's a good swimmer. And let's wash him also. Here we go. It's a turtle. The turtle is swimming in water. Let's pick our next animal, and that is, what it is? It's a crocodile. It's very dangerous. Wow. Let's wash him also. And here we go. These are crocodiles relaxing. I hope kids you're enjoying this video. Our next animal is a cow. Cow is a farm animal. It gives us milk, and there are different varieties of cow. It's very cute, adorable animal. Let's wash him also because it has become dirty. And here we go. It's a cow and its calf. Let's pick another animal, and that is, it's a giraffe. Giraffe is the tallest land animal and it loves to eat green grasses. Let's wash him also. It's a giraffe. Look at its long legs and long neck. Let's pick the next animal, and that is a really cute one. That is a penguin. Penguin lives in polar region and it loves to eat fish. It's a bird. Let's wash him also. It's a penguin enjoying playing. Our next animal is yet another cute one, and actually there are two. They are the ducklings. Ducklings are the young one of duck. They are very good swimmers. They have become dirty, so let's wash them. And here we go. Wow, so many ducklings swimming in water. Our next animal is going to be a horse. Horse is known for its speed. It runs really fast. Many people they do horse riding. It is a farm animal. Let's wash him also. There are two horses and they are eating some dry grasses.
Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Brother John? Brother John. Morning bells are ringing. Morning bells are ringing. Ding dang dong. Ding dang dong.
It's a frog. Let's pick our last animal. It is a really cute, very cute, adorable one. That is a rabbit. Rabbit is a farm animal. It loves to eat carrots. So it has become dirty. Let's wash him also. And here we go. It's rabbit. It's a cute rabbit doing something. I hope you liked this video. So if so, do subscribe to our channel and also click the like button.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe Genius Playhouse.